Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux from Eldorado GG step by step. First, go to the Eldorado GG website and use the search bar to look for Robux. You'll see the Roblox option, click on it. Now you can choose the amount of Robux you want to purchase. Different sellers offer different amounts and prices, and usually the top deal is listed first. For example, we'll select 2,000 Robux, and the price will update automatically. Then click Buy Now. Next, you'll need to create an account if you don't have one. You can quickly sign in using Google. After that, select your payment method. You can pay with cryptocurrency, Google Pay, or a credit card. A couple of important things to note. Roblox gamepad transfers take about 5 days to process, and there's a 30% transfer fee, which is deducted from the total. So if you purchase 2,000 Robux, you will actually receive around 1,400 Robux after fees. Once you've entered your payment details, click Continue to Payment, review your total, and complete the transaction. After confirming, your Robux will be delivered. And that's it. Thanks for watching another video on One More Guru. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gaming and tech tutorials.